Calculating the distance covered. Now, in today's class, we're looking at calculating the distance covered by a circular object. Now, in order for you to be able to arrive at that answer, you need to observe two procedures. The first step is to calculate the circumference of that circular object, maybe a wheel or a tire, and then you multiply the circumference by the given number of turns. Let's take an example. Calculate the distance covered by a wheel with radius 77 cm in 100 turns. Pi is 22/7. Now, in this particular question, our radius is given as 77 cm and our pi 22/7. This simply means that we'll be using the formula 2 times pi times r because we are given the radius. If we are given the diameter, we will be using pi d. But in this case, we are given the radius, and so we'll use 2 times pi times r. Okay, so when we put our details into our formula, you multiply 2 by 22/7 times 77 all over 1. 7 goes into 77 11 times because they are common factors. And it's very important to note that you remove all the common factors first before you multiply them out. That way it is easier for us to calculate. And so we have 2 times 22 times 11, which gives me a total of 484 cm. So that's the circumference for this particular wheel. The next thing to do is to calculate the distance covered. That is by multiplying the circumference by the number of turns. In our question, the circumference equals 484 cm and our number of turns equals 100. So the distance covered by this particular wheel will be 484 times 100, which will give us 48,400 cm. So that's how to calculate distance covered. I hope this will help you. For the following exercises which you have been given, I expect to see success. Thank you.